Hey guys, I'm Jacqueline.
And Marcella.
And we're about to watch Arrow. This episode seems like it's gonna be very Laurel-centered from what we've gathered. And
I'm really excited because I think Laurel's a really interesting character.
Yeah.
Especially because like she straddles that line between like bad and good. So yeah, this is gonna be really interesting.
We're really excited.
You can stay here with us.
Yes! Badass.
So cool.
Oh.
Are you sure that you are okay now that you know that your sister's evil and trying to kill you?
Too soon? Speaking of which, would you take it easy for me, please?
Over me? You know what, I really wish I could. But I have a really intense Netflix binge that I had scheduled way back.
Precious cargo.
Aww. I'm gonna miss Olicity next season so much.
Is he still following us?
I love the way they transition in the show. Like, it's so cool.
Oh. This is a cool team up.
I really hope we get a spin-off of all of this.
Yeah.
New outfit.
Oh.
Arrow's gonna stop me.
Get him, Oliver.
You drank Arrow well.
He's dead. Nobody cares about what. He only wanted his daughter back.
That is not true.
You've done a lot of good as the DA.
Look, I'm really
Felicity's a
sorry
good
if you
friend.
thought we had a real friendship. But it was all just an act. And don't you dare try and stop me.
But I don't believe
Yeah,
that.
I don't believe it.
Really even the odds you get out there and you fight the hell back. If you don't, we're all dead.
She's Oliver's daughter.
Yeah.
It doesn't belong to you. And what? Are you gonna stop us? Don't do this, Laura. Still not mine.
Oh!
Feel free to tell Laurel's new friend that it's a bad idea to leave all schematics just hang around.
Yes!
Are you supposed to be on your little spaceship or something? You took a break to clean up your mess. What is this, some kind of intervention? I know you're not my sister. But another world, or another life you could have been. And my father believed in you.
Huh.
He was wrong. You're not my sister.
Oh my god, this is awesome!
I can't believe that she came in.
Huh?
Oh.
Yes! It's about damn time we saw these two like going at it together. Wow.
Oh.
I'm having deja vu in the best way possible.
Come a long way from the IT girl secretly crushing on Oliver Queen.
Everybody knew. Zero poker face. It's you. This is more of a two-woman job. Dinah wants to keep it above board.
Nope, got it. Not invited. Okay. Follow me.
But they could have used Sarah for backup.
Could have used some white canary backup after all.
Exactly.
Got it now.
I don't think she ever even wanted that kind of support. Or maybe she wanted it more than any of us and didn't realize until it was gone.
Oh, Felicity.
She really believes in her.
Yeah. Is that like, I mean, she's gonna become a canary?
Too bad I'm not a canary.
I feel like she eventually
I feel
is
like
going to be.
there's gonna be something with that, right?
Yeah.
Nobody's as good as the original Laurel Lance, not even me.
Aww.
I had an affair with my sister's boyfriend. I allowed my entire family to think that I was dead. And then I became a league-trained assassin.
Well, that's impressive. impressive.
She's come a long
My
way.
point is,
Yeah.
Even redemption isn't a destination, it's a journey.
I wasted years running away from all the bad things that I had done because I didn't want to face the pain that I had caused and own up to the things that I had done. And yeah, it was painful.
I love
And
this
it
so
took
much,
a
this
really long
conversation.
time.
Mm-hmm.
But it was the only way to become someone else.
Sarah, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Well, that's great for you. You. Don't look surprised. Your friend's suit is basically a giant tracker. That song of yours is getting a little old.
They're trying so hard and Laurel's making it so difficult.
Is Felicity gonna
God, you're good too.
She's like, who else?
Oliver think Felicity's sitting on the couch watching Netflix?
Yes.
This is who I am. Do you not see that?
Who I see is someone that I believe in and someone that I really care about. Felicity, what are you doing? Forget living up to Laurel's legacy.
If you're okay with that device killing people, you may as well start with me.
Felicity.
And me.
Oh.
I changed my mind. The deal's off.
I kind of expected.
Oh.
Get out of here. I think the payload device pretty much cleared me. Yeah, the problem is we're inside the building.
Let's buy some time.
Such a great team up.
Uh-huh. Epic team up.
Yeah. Laura's like, LOL, never mind.
Just kidding. I think it's really funny that Oliver thinks that Felicity's just like chilling, watching TV right now. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yes, Sarah. Wow.
We're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize
We're
till just
all in this together.
Birds of justice.
It's time for me to go home now.
Home? Is it Earth 2? Home?
Oh.
Someone in similar shoes told me if I wanted to be one of the good guys, that I needed to right my wrongs. And the only way to do that is to go back to where it all started.
Can we get that show?
Yeah. Cheers to me. That's how you knew I was pregnant. I have something for you. It's Laurel's Black Canary costume.
Oh,
Yeah, I
wow.
thought you could use it here, but you know, maybe Earth 2 needs a Black Canary.
Aww.
I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it.
I really want to see more of her journey.
Yeah.
Get what you're looking for?
Yep. You said goodbye to her already?
Well, yeah. After we stopped her from going on a killing spree. Diana and Sarah.
You know, the usual.
That's Sarah. And we did it. Super easy. It was like Charlie's Angels without the feathered hair and casual sexism.
So then I'll take care of you.
Well, you can start with a foot rub. Quentin always saw the good in me when nobody else did.
He was the first person to make me feel like I was never alone.
You're not alone.
Anymore.
Oh no.
So much for Plan A.
Oh, be careful, man.
This guy's really strong. Ooh.
Oh my god! The
Green Arrow
costume.
documentary.
Yeah.
You're a friend of your parents.
Oh my god.
You're lucky we got here when we did.
Uh-huh.
It's what canaries do. Give this to Felicity. You look so much like her. And you may not be a canary. And you still have a long way to go to prove that you're a hero. Take it from someone who knows how hard it can be. And don't screw it up.
Wow.
That was a good ending.
I absolutely love that episode. I loved having Sarah back. That was really exciting.
So, I don't know how we didn't get spoiled on that.
I don't know how we didn't.
I'm glad that we didn't because that was so exciting.
Yeah, that was awesome. And there were so many important conversations here with Laurel and Sarah, and especially dealing with Quentin's death, and I just really enjoyed having that on the show. And I feel like we've always wondered, like, Sarah, because like I feel like she needed to be on the Arrow side for Quentin's death and stuff, you know, because that's her father. So I really like that we got to see like a nice like scene there, you know.
Yeah, I think it was important for her to come on the show for Laurel's character. And, you know, she like said to her, even though it's not really her sister, it was still important for her to come on and have that conversation, especially when they were by like Quentin's tombstone and
help her. Like, I really liked when she said that redemption's a journey. It's not something that just happens. Like, it's something that she's gonna have to keep working at.
And she had to realize that, like, don't try to be Laurel. Don't try to measure up to like the actual Laurel.
I thought that Dinah's interaction was really great too. Like, I love like all the canaries in this episode. Like, I thought that was great, and I felt like they kind of foreshadowed Maya being a canary. Like, I don't know if that was just us.
I think so too. Yeah.
I just felt like there was like that speech that Dinah gave her about like how she started the canaries, and there's like multiple canaries, which I thought was really great. And I don't know. I'm really excited to see about that.
Yeah, I really like the ending. I thought that was really great. That was a really great ending. And I definitely think Maya is going to be a canary. And I like how she's like, oh, you have a long way of being like a hero.
Yeah.
And, like,
that's gonna be a different show. It has to be another spin-off from Arrow with this. Like, I feel like there needs to be a continuation. Like, we need to see more of Maya becoming a hero and everything. Yeah. I do feel like in the future, Oliver is probably dead. I feel like he's gone, especially with, we know obviously it's so sad that Emily Bett is leaving the show as Felicity.
Yeah, we're really sad about that.
It's really sad. Felicity's our favorite character. So that really sucks. But like, Felicity is the heart of Arrow for us, so we're really sad that we're not gonna get many more Felicity scenes, so we gotta enjoy it.
Yeah.
I think that what's gonna end up happening is in the crossover next year, I think a lot of people have said that Oliver is probably going to sacrifice himself. So I feel like that might be when he goes. And that's why we don't have many scenes of Maya with her father growing up and everything. So, and that's why Felicity is very closed off in the future. So,
maybe.
I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. I'm excited to see how this season wraps up. We only have a couple episodes left. Yes. Let us know what you guys thought about this episode down in the comments below.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this reaction, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reactions for Arrow.
You can also follow our Twitter and our Snapchat. We're at City of the Field.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye!